Welcome to the best picks. The best Laminate Polish is probably one of the most underappreciated products in home care. Laminate countertops are a fantastic, budget-friendly option, but keeping them looking their best can be a challenge. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of laminate countertop polish, exploring what makes a great product, and showing you how to keep your surfaces shining. Number 5. Lifeproof Ceramic Coating Spray Kit. Tired of stubborn stains? This ceramic coating prevents them. It also protects surfaces from smudges and buildup. Cleaning becomes a breeze. Get that clean glass feeling. This product repels liquids and stains. It creates an ultra-hydrophobic surface. Remember, avoid using it on floors. Use it on almost any hard surface. It's safe for granite, stainless steel, glass, and more. It's invisible and won't damage your surfaces. Protect your home with peace of mind. This coating is non-toxic and has passed safety testing. It's safe for you and your family. It's easy to apply. Just spray it on, buff with the included towel, and let it cure. You can remove it anytime with isopropyl alcohol. For best results, clean the surface first. What we like? This ceramic coating spray creates a super slick, anti-stick surface, making cleaning a breeze. It's perfect for those who want to minimize cleaning time and effort. If you're looking for a long-lasting, protective solution that simplifies your cleaning routine, you should consider this. What people say. Doesn't completely prevent fingerprint smudges 100%, but it does help tremendously, and what does show up wipes away extremely easily. I used to have to use a microfiber cloth that's moistened with either water or cleaner to clean surfaces, but now after I've applied this coating, all it takes is a light wipe. I sprayed half of my Korean countertop and compared the feel to the section I hadn't sprayed yet. There was a definite tactile difference. I even slid the wadded up rag across the counter. It slid easily across the area that I'd sprayed, then came to a stop where I hadn't sprayed yet. Number 4. Weiman Quartz Countertop Cleaner and Polish. This is the perfect solution for your quartz countertops. It's designed to clean and protect, leaving your surfaces sparkling. This pH-neutral formula is specifically made for quartz. It safely removes grease, soil, and watermarks, ensuring a streak-free shine. Using the right cleaner is key to maintaining the beauty of your countertops. It provides superior protection against fading and darkening from sunlight exposure. This helps to keep the quartz looking its best for longer. Enjoy a fresh citrus scent while it cleans, shines, and protects. It will leave your kitchen smelling amazing and your countertops glistening. The supreme polishing power brings out a whole new level of luster. You can trust it to clean without damaging the surface. All Weiman products are manufactured in the United States of America. Trust Weiman with your most valued surfaces in your home. What we like? This cleaner is specifically formulated for quartz, ensuring a streak-free shine. It also provides UV protection, which is crucial for preventing fading. If you have quartz countertops and want to maintain their beauty and protect them from sun damage, this is the ideal choice. What people say. It leaves a counter, shiny and very smooth and clean. Goes on smooth with no effort. It has a fresh scent, no streaks, the double cloth method, one to wipe, one to dry, leaves the counters looking stunning. UV protection is a plus. This keeps my countertops and island looking beautiful, and the smell is good too. Number 3. Hope's Perfect Countertop Cleaner and Polish. This product is a cleaner and polish in one. It allows you to effectively clean and shine your countertop surfaces, saving you valuable time. This polish is 100% streak-free. It's specially formulated to restore the like-new shine and color of your countertops. You won't have to deal with excessive wiping or streaks. This spray is great for various surfaces. It works well on laminate, Korean, granite, quartz, marble, and stone. The product is designed not to harm stone sealant. It's important to avoid use on unsealed, porous surfaces to prevent damage. This cleaner and polish has been tested and approved by leading countertop manufacturers. These include Korean, Formica, Wilsonart, and LG HIMAX. What we like? This product offers a streak-free shine on various surfaces, including laminate and stone. It's designed not to harm stone sealants, ensuring your countertops are protected. If you like a versatile cleaner that delivers a brilliant shine without streaks, you should consider this. What people say. My countertop has a rich sheen to it and water no longer causes spots. It leaves the Korean shiny and looking new still, and it's now 9 years old. It puts a very nice shine on the Korean and gives it a nice protective coating. Number 2. Therapy Granite Cleaner and Polish, 2-pack. Introducing Therapy Granite Cleaner and Polish, the top choice for maintaining pristine surfaces. This 2-pack ensures you have plenty to keep your home sparkling. This product leaves a glossy and protected finish on granite. It ensures surfaces look pristine and beautiful, enhancing the look of your home. It expertly removes grease, oil, and grime from granite countertops and other surfaces with ease. This makes cleaning your kitchen a breeze. The neutral pH formula is safe for all granite, marble, quartz, quartzite, and onyx countertops. You can use it on various surfaces without worry. It is the ultimate kitchen cleaner for all non-porous countertops and surfaces. This product will make your kitchen shine. Infused with coconut-based ingredients and 100% natural scents, it provides a safe clean. You can enjoy a fresh and clean scent while keeping your surfaces spotless. What we like. This cleaner provides a streak-free shine while effectively removing grease and grime. It's safe for various surfaces, including granite and marble. If you are looking for a powerful cleaner that keeps your surfaces looking pristine and clean, you should consider this. What people say. One coat brought all kinds of new life to an already new countertop that was a month ago, and it continues to last in that same perfect condition. Very, very nice shine. No streaks. Finally. After using several other cleaners that consistently left streaks on my granite countertops, this product delivered a streak-free shine that made a noticeable difference. It leaves a lovely and so far long-lasting shine. The surfaces feel very smooth as well. Ordinary kitchen cleaners are nowhere near as effective at lifting greasy mark and invariably leave streaks even when say they won't. Number 1. Howard 9 Fluid Ounces Protective Food Grade Wax. This wax is designed to enhance and protect a variety of surfaces. It's perfect for wood, stone, metal, and more, helping to keep them looking their best. The product is safe for use on surfaces that come into contact with food. This food-grade beeswax provides a protective barrier, ensuring safety and preserving the integrity of your items. This beeswax furniture polish enhances surfaces and acts as a wood wax. It provides a beautiful sheen on various materials, keeping them looking great. Applying this furniture wax is simple. Just apply a thin layer, let it dry, and then buff it to achieve the desired results. It's that easy. It creates a durable, water-resistant barrier. This helps to protect surfaces from spills and moisture, extending their lifespan. The wax slows down oxidation, making it ideal for furniture and materials like bronze, copper, and brass. It helps to keep these items looking newer for longer. What we like. This food-grade wax enhances and protects various surfaces, creating a water-resistant barrier. It's ideal for those who want to maintain the natural beauty of their surfaces. If you like a natural, protective solution that extends the life of your countertops, you should consider this. What people say. The cherry wardrobe looks richer and more vibrant, with the wax enhancing its natural color and finish. For my metal lamps, it worked wonders, removing smudges and leaving them looking polished and protected. This not only covered the sticky wax I tried to use, but it sealed it up pretty nicely. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.